Are you someone who is taking care of your elderly parent? Or are you someone that has a disabled child that is an adult that needs to have lifelong care? If you are someone who is taking care of either of these two people, then you're going to want to pay attention. There's a mortgage out there called the Family Opportunity Mortgage, and it allows you to buy a home for either your elderly parents and or your disabled adult child who needs long-term care. As a primary resident for them, you can actually qualify with the regular guidelines of a primary residence. Now, why would you want to consider this? One, the affordability of housing. To be able to put your elderly parents into assisted living or a retirement home where they're not spending $10,000 a month, which could really dwindle their savings fairly quickly, and maybe feasibly they can pay you small rent, maybe a couple $1,000s to help offset the mortgage. Secondly, this allows for an improved quality of life for your parents who might be elderly or for your adult child who needs lifelong care. This will allow them to have the ability to have surroundings that are familiar to them. You can actually hire somebody that you trust to take care of your relatives, and it allows you to build your portfolio as well. Questions or concerns that you want addressed about your parents, and I'd be more than happy to help you out.